In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your trading password on Kucoin for the year 2025. This process is straightforward and should take no more than a few minutes. Whether you've forgotten your current password or simply want to update it for security reasons, I'm here to guide you through each step. First, let's start by visiting the Kucoin website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to kucoin.com, the official page for Kucoin, one of the leading crypto exchanges in the world. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your account. Look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. After logging in successfully, you'll find yourself on the Kucoin homepage. From here, turn your attention to your profile options. They're usually represented by a small icon or your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this to reveal a drop-down menu with various options regarding your account details and settings. Next, you'll want to head over to the Security section of your profile. This is where all of Kucoin's settings related to account safety and security are located. Once you click on Profile, look for a subsection labeled Advanced Settings. Click on this, and you'll be directed to a new page that allows you to manage several secure features of your account. Now, the step we're specifically interested in is resetting your trading password. On the Advanced Settings page, you should see an option labeled Trading Password. Click on this link to proceed. It might prompt you to enter additional confirmation details, such as a verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. This is an important security measure to ensure that only the account holder can make significant changes like resetting a password. Once verified, you'll have the opportunity to set a new trading password. Make sure that this password is strong, unique, and not easily guessable. You might want to use a combination of numbers, capital letters, and special characters to enhance its security. Remember, your trading password grants access to crucial features of your account, so it's essential to keep it secure. After entering the new password, double-check to ensure that it meets all of Kucoin's security requirements. Then, confirm the changes. If everything is in order, you should receive a notification confirming the successful update of your trading password. And that's it. You've now successfully reset your trading password on Kucoin. Regularly updating your passwords can significantly enhance the security of your account. I hope this guide has been helpful for you today. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore Kucoin's help resources or reach out to their support team. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay safe in your trading journey.